If you're experiencing issues with PUBG updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem and ensure a smooth update process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to browse other websites. If your connection is slow or intermittent, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the PUBG game client completely and restart it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help. For PC, you can do this by navigating to the Game S installation folder and deleting temporary files. For consoles, you can clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. Step 4. Check for disk space. Ensure that you have enough disk space available for the update. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting unused games or files to free up space. This can help the update process complete successfully. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG may be necessary. This can resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up any important data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with PUBG updates getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.